Today, we are going to talk about comparative adjectives. Comparing with adjectives. When you are comparing two nouns, you will usually add ER to the adjective you are using. For example, if I had a ladder and a tree, I would say the ladder is tall, the tree is taller. When you are comparing more than two nouns, you will usually add est to the adjective you are using. For example, if I had a ladder, a tree, and a building, I would say the ladder is tall, the building is tallest. So, when you are comparing nouns, first you must think, how many nouns are you comparing? In this example, I have a boy and a cheetah. So I have two nouns. I would say the boy is fast, but the cheetah is. Do you remember what we put after an adjective when we're comparing two things? Right. The cheetah is faster. Remember, first think, how many nouns are you comparing? In this example, we have a turtle and a snail. They are both slow. I would say the turtle is slow and the snail is slower. In this next example, we have a dog, a horse, and a giraffe. We have three things we are comparing. I would say the dog is big, the giraffe is bigger or biggest. Remember, I'm comparing three things. Biggest. In this example, we have four people, Max, Pete, Bob, and Phil. They all look pretty happy. I would say that Max is happy, but Phil is, would it be happier or happiest? I have four people that I'm comparing. Phil is happiest of all. How many nouns are we comparing in this example? Two. I have a backpack and a truck. I could say the backpack is heavy, but the truck is heavier. How many nouns are we comparing in this example? We have a baby, a pea, a shoe, and a penny. We are comparing four nouns. I would say the shoe is small, but the pea is smallest. How many nouns are we comparing in this example? I have a rug and a teddy bear. I'm comparing two nouns. I would say the rug is soft, but the teddy bear is softer. How many nouns are we comparing? I have a fire, coffee, and soup. All of these are hot. I would say the coffee is hot, but the fire is hottest. How many nouns are we comparing in this example? I have lemonade and ice. They're both cold. I would say the lemonade is cold. The ice is colder. So what do you need to remember? When you are comparing two nouns, you will usually need to add er to your adjective. Sweeter, braver, nicer, brighter, harder, larger. When you are comparing more than two nouns, you will usually need to add est to your adjective. Sweetest, bravest, nicest, brightest, hardest, largest. Now that you know how to compare with adjectives, you are the smartest student.